be back with another episode. I'm going to show you how to, not how to, but, and sorry if it's pink, the room's pink. My sister, she's in my regular YouTube room with her boyfriend, and I had to be in her room, make a YouTube video. But, back to the point, this is what to bring to an airsoft war. I have one made, but it's not very good. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, first, y'all are going to need a primary. So, mine, right here, is a Will L96. Will L96. She has a sniper, ring, strap, a bipod, and a scope. Okay? There's like a needle under me. Well, that's one of my primaries. I usually take that one or this one. My tactical M4 Viper, assault rifle, Black Ops, Ignite. Nice gun. So, you need that. Then you need a secondary. So mine, CO2. Flowback edition. Pistol. I bought it for $40 at Walmart. Put a rubber Glock grip right here. The mag release. The Glock grip, it feels really, really good to my hand. My dad bought a Glock, come with the grip. He took it off. He said I could do whatever I want to it. Well, I figured I'd put it on my airsoft gun, and it feels a lot better than just a regular plastic because it's rubber. But just all around gun. Next, cleaning rod. You want a cleaning rod. Now this one, I can't find my good one. I'll find it by the next airsoft war, but this is just the one that comes with the L96. It's just a rod. But what I do is I take a piece of tape, a napkin, like a half of a napkin, wrap it around the thing, stick it in there, spin it around about 5 times. This right here, sit there, pull it out, and there should be dirt in it, or dust, or whatever you have in your barrel. But, well, I dropped it, but cleaning rod, or unjamming rod, some gun cleaner, which I use Hoppy's Elite Gun Cleaner. Hoppy's Elite Gun Cleaner. So yeah, just little. Hang on. I don't know if y'all can read that down there. This is 2 fluid ounces. 2 fluid ounces is right here. It says 2 fluid ounces. My dad, he got a 6-pack of this. Hobbies. I just dropped it. He just got a 6-pack of this. I just got done cleaning my guns, by the way. Tape. I just got heavy duty duct tape. See, duct tape. You guys want a knife, but mine is in my backpack. My backpack's down at my airsoft fort. Left it. I need some eye protection. Very important, because most people get hurt real bad. Way to communicate. Really, don't get a cell phone. Don't get a cell phone, please. iPhone 4S, don't get a cell phone. Cause, I mean, really? Who brings a cell phone to an airsoft floor? This is just a demonstration. My walkie-talkies are in my backpack. And that's it, guys, really. Take what you really need, some water and snacks. Take what you really need, guys. So, see ya.